Hi guys, Bruce here. Okay, the ignition's turned on. Right now, the two-wheel highlight should be on my dash. It's not. You'll see that right there. And we're in two-wheel drive. It's been intermittent. It starts to go out, and then when it goes out, it's hard to shift to 4 high. Now, if I just wiggle this guy, maybe, just hang on. There, look at that. Okay. There, I never touched the button, right? There, it's out. And then it's on, and out, and on. Did you get that? Look at that, there it is. So I think there's a loose connection, hopefully, inside the actual unit, because I just ordered one. And to confess, I've had this out already. Right? There, it's out again, see? And I just clicked it back in. So now the hell work starts. So let's get that out. I'll show you exactly how to take that out of there if I can get this set up. I don't know how. Let's see if we can get you set up with a screwdriver. Can you guys, that's where we're working right there? Yes. Now I'm just going to take that out of there. There's a tab there. There's a tab here, 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 and here. But I think we can do it with just the two main tabs. Look at that light's going to turn this off. Ah, avalanche! Well, maybe we'll pull out the top first. Right in the center. Dead center. There, we got it. Not that hard to do, really, compared to some of them, right? We don't have to remove the whole dash. There it comes. Can you still see? Yes, you can. There it is. Okay. So now, it's just a clip on a connector. There it is, just like that, right? Okay. And we're going to just get that connector out of there somehow with you guys watching closely. Okay, there it is. So maybe we can turn some more lights on here too. So this is just how all this has to do is come out. There it is. There it is. Okay. So now it's just that tab right there. And we have it. We're out. I'm just going to leave that there till tomorrow because I got this on order. $72 Canadian or $58 on Amazon, but I don't want to wait. That's not bad. I'll pay $12 to have it come right to the city here. It's coming out of Calgary. It's an hour and a half away by truck to a Delco dealer here in town. Cool! I just hope it's not a wire in the connector in here, right? Alright, my friends. There was a discussion online today about not being able to get AC Delco points after a certain time frame. And this is one of those. This was purchased at an AC Delco dealer, but this part is not available through AC Delco anymore. And it's the Dorman 901-154 four-wheel drive switch. Okay? So for those of you who need to know that, let's put the new one in. Then we'll turn on the truck and see if we've got selectable 4-wheel drive and lights. It's kind of exciting. There we go. Okay, this is it. It's good. Okay, here's our switch here. We're good now. Let's start her up. Let's go to 4 high. You can hear it relay. We got to go to neutral to get into 4 low. You'll hear a big clunk. Good. Back to 4 high. There we go. I think it's good. It's not blinking. We're not losing the light. I'm going to push it back into its cavity. There, she's in. Okay, great. Let's just turn it off and start it up again. Good. Open the garage door. And that's it, guys. I think it fixed it. The old one, the 2 high, would go out and then I wouldn't have that much control. Well, this one feels firmer because it's new, eh? So 4 high, neutral, running, 4 low, 4 high, 2 high. Lovely. Let's just let it run for a bit. Thanks for watching this one, guys.